so ready. This has gotta be the night that dreams come true. Ay, everything feels just right. I guess when I'm with you, you know that I'll be holding on. Did you feel my love? Did you feel my love? I'm how you like.
I hope that you guys are having an awesome day. So today's video, I wanted to do something different. This is going to be like a eyeshadow collection video because I've been buying a lot of makeup, so I wanted to share with you guys what I have in my collection. And maybe you guys will get inspired, like maybe what you guys are missing in your own collection. And if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And don't forget to ring that bell so you guys can get notified when I upload a video. So I've been really like taking a break yesterday. I wanted to get some time for myself. So I'm just getting back on track with making more videos right now. So hopefully you guys will stick around. And there'll be a giveaway on the 21st of May. So put that in your calendar. So this is no in order of any collection. So I'm just going to show you guys how it is. And yeah, the Bella Cosmetics GoPro palette. I got this from April from her giveaway. If you guys don't know her, I'll put her YouTube channel on her Instagram right there. We draw to create, dare to create palettes. So I got this last year. This was the limited edition one. So they don't sell it anymore. What it looks like, this is from the Morphe site. So I'm just trying to take care of it as much as I can because it's like a very important palette for me. Shannon EXO, the Remix palette. And then once you open in the other side, it has like different colors as well. So there's like 2 mirrors on both sides. Shell, I call it the mermaid palette, but everyone calls that, right? So this is what it looks like. It came out in March, but it's so cute. What caught me to like buying this is the shells inside, and I've been loving mermaids when I was like a baby, like literally a newborn. That's why I caught this one. I love Tarte in general, that's why. This is the Printed Lady Coastal Scents palette. Later on in the year, I will definitely do a declutter. Charm Pure palettes. This was like the collaboration that they had. The cover. I haven't touched this in a while since I did my makeup tutorial. Habit Supernova palette. This looks like. This is like more of a dramatic look if you want to go out with your friends type of colors and stuff inside. But this is a good compact type of palette if you want to use it when you go to a vacation or something. The Wild Face Candy. This is from Hush and the other one as well. I like it because it has like a lot of variety of colors inside, like neutrals, colorful things. And then the next thing is the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. It's really pretty. I love it so much. And the next one is the Too Faced Life's a Festival palette. This is like a unicorn here in clouds, you know. Like, it smells so good. This thing is the Nubian by Juvia's. This is all neutrals inside. Open it. That's what it looks like. And then the next one is this. This is the Saran by Juvia's. And when you open it, it's all like that. This is so good for like the holidays, like, you know, Christmas and all that stuff. I really like to use that. The Zulus by Juvia's. And this is very cute, colorful. They're very cute colors inside. I really like them. And it's really good to use for like the summertime, spring, Easter. The thing is the Festival by Juvia's. This one just came out this year. They already came out with a new palette, which is this one, if you guys don't know what that is. It looks like it still has like the plastic. This one is the Dulce by Juvia's, which is like the 3 people in there. It's pretty cool. That's very pretty. This one is the Masquerade one. Open it, it looks like that. It has a lot of like variety of colors that you can play with. Is the Magic by Juvia's. Hopefully this is the one that I have. And then when you open it, it looks like that. I like it because it caught my eye with the packaging, the inside of the colors. And I really like when I see something shimmery because I can use it as like a cut crease and stuff like that. Face, and this is the glitter palettes. So I've been needing to use this again when I can. It's the Bronze Paradise palette. And when you open it, it looks like that. This is all bronzing and highlighting. And it's like the eyeshadows in the middle. Very cute. So the next thing I'm going to show you guys is the Naked Urban Decay Heat Palette, which I got recently. Wanting to have this for quite some time now. I'm definitely going to do a look in that in the future. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism Palettes. This is on sale at Sephora right now for like $31, I think. So that's what it looks like. Got the brush palette. This one came in recently. I love this palette, even though I don't use it as often, but I just love how it looks, like in general, the colors. So the next one is from BH Cosmetics Solar Flare Palettes. It's all like baked shadows. I need to play with it too. Then the next one is from Modern Renaissance Anastasia palette. Looks like that. Very pretty. I love this palette so much. Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. Looks like that. Very shimmery. I like the shimmers inside. The next one is from Tarte. This one is like it doesn't have a name to it. This is like the Tarte High Performance Neutrals. It's like, okay. And then it has like these like compartments. So this is like the blush, the bronzer, the highlight inside. And this one is like nothing. You can put like your stuff in here if you like. Which is not really necessary, but I like it because of like the packaging and everything. I've been wanting this for quite some time and I got it for free from Tarte. So I'm very stoked by that. Urban Decay Distortion Eyeshadow Palette. This one is also on sale from Sephora. I switched this with Jessica, so I'm really like happy that I got this one because I've been wanting it for so long as well. Morphe 35B palette. This is like the colorful one a little bit. So this is the one that's always sold out. Is the 35 OS palette. So there's like all the neutrals. I really like this one a lot too. Favorite, the Jaclyn Hill palette. It's everything you name it. And it has like all the names in the back. So I love this one too. There's another Morphe palette. This one is the 24G Grand Glam palette. It looks like that. I love it because it's all neutrals. There's some shimmers a lot in here too. So you got like a lot of variety of shades, not just like shimmers. You get like mattes, shimmers as well. The Urban Luxe 99 eyeshadow palette inside. So everything also varieties of shades. Favorite one. So when you open it, it looks like that. And the same thing here. I don't take out this one because it has like all the blush, bronzers, and the highlighting. So yeah, so it doesn't mix with the eyeshadows. And this is like a compartment. There's like a mirror right there. That's pretty cool. Tortious Pro palette. I got this last summer. It's pretty cute. It's all mattes in here and then the shimmers in the other side. So it's pretty cool. Thing is the Lorac Pirates of the Caribbean palette. So this is like a theme from Lorac, and I just recently got this like probably 2 months ago. And still haven't used it. Maybe like, I don't know, just once probably. I should really get back to like using all my makeup before it expires. And I have this eyelids face. Of this. But I just like it because of the neutrals right here. Not really the lips, but like I just use it for the contouring. This is like the contouring and the blush. And then another one right here. So yeah. And this side is like more like the lips and everything. State of Mind palette. It's all the shimmers. It's all the shimmers in here. So if you're into that, then this palette is for you. And then there's also like the names in the back. It's from BH Cosmetics. This is like a new palette that they came out this year. So this is like perfect for the summertime. There's also names on the pans. And it also comes with a mirror. It'll be great if they actually come with like a brush as well. It's always a plus. I got this from Summer for free. Summer was so sweet enough to send this to me and everything. She also sent me like other things as well. Then the next one is the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. This is like all the colorful shadows inside. It's like that. Very pretty. Forever palette. I might get rid of this too in the future once I don't have room. So yeah, this is what it looks like. This is basically all blushes and lipsticks, and in the middle is like eyeshadows. This one from Icon by Absolute Palette. This in a while, so we'll see if I will discontinue that one. No, Revolution Unicorn Love eyeshadow palette. I got this from my Nicole. She's so sweet. She gave me this because she was like decluttering one of her eyeshadow palettes. So I asked this. And it's really pretty. I liked it a lot. Salvation palette. So this is pretty. This is like one of my favorites from her. It's really cute. And the next one too, which you guys will see. But it's from Beige Cosmetics. And this is all the information. This is like the bronzer, the highlighting, contouring right here, and then the eyeshadow right there. So that's pretty cute. Fusion eyeshadow palette. And it looks like this. It has all like more like shimmers, and there's also like a blush and also a contouring and everything like that. But I'm thinking of decluttering this in the future as well, just because I don't know, I just don't really use it as often as I should. So the next thing is the Carly by Belle from BH Cosmetics. This is like the ultimate palette that I've been wanting to get but never even touched yet in a while, but I will in the future for sure. I think this is a good palette for like prom or either weddings and stuff, because I always see like these type of colors for weddings. And I also got this from Elf. This is like all eyeshadow palettes, not really necessary. I'm also throwing that out soon, from Twinkling Star. It's kind of like a funny name, really. This is like all eyeshadows right here, all colorful and neutrals on the other side. And there's also like lips, like lip stains. And you guys see like this is nothing in here anymore, and there's like blushes and the other side as well. This one from Wet n Wild. This is the Color Icon eyeshadow palette. This is like very good to like take with you and stuff like that. And then there's also this one from Morphe. I haven't used this yet, but I will in the future. It's like all like, you can make like a smoky eye with this if you'd like. Cat eye palette. I got this from TJ Maxx for like really affordable price, so it's really good. Milani eyeshadow palette. I really, really love it. You guys don't know what I mean. It's very creamy. It's really good. The Glam Metals palettes, which I got from BoxyCharm. It looks like. So from Milani. This is like more of like a colorful shades. Very good for fall or summer. I got Too Faced eyeshadow palettes from Jessica. I received this from her as well. She's like one of my good friends here on YouTube. And this is the I Believe in Pink one. So this is like the more neutrals, pinkish, like girly shade. Just wanted to show you guys this very quick. This is so cute. I need to use this too. Troll Beauty one. And this is, you can see. I love it. And the bottom one's like light. And the shades look like that. It's also like neutrals. And the bottom one's like more of like a highlighting shade. And I also got the Cover FX. It's like a shimmer type of eyeshadow. But the Shani, it's like a box full of eyeshadows really. And it looks like this. And then once you open the other side to like that, and it'll do the same thing in the other one. So
I just color the unicorn palette, but this is like the packaging and stuff. I cannot pronounce it. It's like Marvy Corn, something like that.
So much. I like the packaging. It has like the unicorn right there, the bronzing, highlighting, and all that stuff, and the eyeshadows in the bottom and then the top as well. There's like more like shimmers and also mattes as well. Very cool. I like me some colorful palettes sometimes for like collabs, or sometimes when I want to be extra in my makeup. Bad Habit Aphrodite from Hush. It's very pretty. This is the Athena Bad Habit palette. It's very cute. I love how like each palette has like their own variety of like shimmers and mattes. So you can have your own choices. And then the next thing is the Bad Habit Solstice palette. This is my favorite one. It's very cute for like the summer season and stuff. This is the Revolution, more like a neutral type of palette. And I got this from Nicole. It doesn't have a name, it just says Revolution Makeup, you know, Flawless 3 Recreation. That's the theme of this palette. And then the next one is from ColourPop, which is this one. This is the Dream Street eyeshadow palette, which is like this. Exposure. So it's very pretty. I haven't tried it yet, so we'll see. Oh, so this one is the Inferno Bad Habit palette. And this is like all neutrals and also has a mirror, shimmers, mates as well. 7 Beat It palette. I got this from TJ Maxx. And then when you open it, it's all like neutrals and stuff. So it's so cute. The Amazonia palette, and this is from like their theme, Face Candy. I like how like the packaging looks. It's so summery and stuff like that, tropical, you know. It's in here, and then the mirror as well. You also have Raw palette, Face Candy theme. Version of the Anastasia Prism palette. Some similarities with the yellow, but the yellow has more like the gold tones to it. This is so pretty though. I love to try it in the future. I still haven't tried it yet, but I will. I have one more to show. This one is the Bad Habit Aurora palette. Oh no, this is like the dupes for the Anastasia one. I don't know if it's the Prism one or the Subculture, but this is like the palette for it. The Beauty Box palette. This is just has like their own theme, like a purple theme. And this one is like more like a pinks, orange, rainbowish kind of, you know, palettes and stuff. So if you want to go rainbow, that's a good. Is the Ulta Beauty one. This is like more of like a mini eyeshadow palette, and that's pretty much it I have in my eyeshadow collection. Let me know in the comments below how many you guys have in your eyeshadow collection, like if you guys have 80. Yeah, thank you guys for watching my collection. Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time.
There I can see I'm so ready.